Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu says, Hazrat Ali bin Abu Talib radiyallahu anhu sent a leather bag full of gold not even dusted to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam from Yemen. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam distributed that gold amongst four persons: Uayna bin Badr, Aqra bin Habis, Zayd al-Khalil, and the fourth one was either Al-Qama or Amir bin Tufail. Some of his companions said, "We deserve it more than those people." When that news reached the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said, "Don't you count me as trustworthy, though I am a trustworthy man of the one in the heavens, and the news of the heavens comes to me both in the morning and in the evening." The transmitter says, then a man with sunken eyes, high cheekbones, protruding forehead, a thick beard, a shaven head, and a wrapper tugged up, got up and said, "Fear Allah, O Allah's Apostle." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Woe be to you! Don't I deserve more than all the people of the earth to fear Allah Jalla Jalaluhu?" Then that man went away. Hazrat Khalid bin Walid radiyallahu anhu submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, should I decapitate him?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Don't do so. Maybe he performs prayer." Hazrat Khalid bin Walid radiyallahu anhu submitted, "There may be such people as perform prayer, but what is on their tongues may not be in their hearts." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "I have not been ordained to probe into the people's hearts and cut open their bellies." The transmitter says, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam then looked at him while he, the latter, was going showing his back, and said, "From amongst his stock there will emerge such people as will recite Allah's book with great interest, but the Quran will not pass their throats. They will go out of the religion as an arrow goes through a game." I think he sallallahu alaihi wasallam also said, "If I found those people, I would kill them as the people of Samud were killed." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4351.